a forest, what do you usually think of?
Probably tons of green trees, overgrown bushes, and fast-moving rivers.
When I first came to the Angeles National Forest years ago, that's what I expected. It was literally the opposite. It was mostly patches of small bushes and very few dried up trees. To be honest, I was kind of disappointed. But today, I'm going back to the forest. People are telling me I just saw the not so pretty part of it. I'm going on a hike called Switzer Falls. I'm going on the hike to prove to myself that the Angeles National Forest is actually what most people think of a forest as. It was surprisingly beautiful. It was vast and green. I could always see and hear a river flowing. It was, well, a forest. There were several obstacles throughout the hike, from jumping over rivers to climbing up steep rocks.
It's steep here.